In the meantime, talk about another controversy that has now erupted, and this is just ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. As far as the political landscape that seems to be heating up, with Chief Minister Atishi levelling a serious allegation against Delhi LG, claiming that an order was issued to demolish temples and Buddhist religious places. She has written a letter to the Lieutenant Governor of the national capital. But the Delhi LG has hit back at the Chief Minister over this letter that she has written, as he has dismissed all of the allegations of any demolitions of temples or places of worship of Hindus or of Buddhist or other faiths. The Delhi LG, who has been accusing the Chief Minister of Delhi of playing cheap politics and an attempt to divert attention from the failures of the AAP government. The office of the LG has reaffirmed that there have been no temples or religious sites that have been demolished, and that the claims were part of a larger political distraction campaign by the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, this has been the to and fro that seems to be happening. Of course, when it comes to the comments that came in of a temporary chief minister, when it comes to the announcement of several schemes that have been done by the Aam Aadmi Party, all of the three parties that we talk about, whether be it the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, have been at loggerheads, just ahead of the intense Delhi battle. Let's get in a word from Tetri joining us. Tetri, good morning. What is the letter politics that now we are talking about? Of course, war of words, now war of words over letters. The Chief Minister of Delhi has been claiming that on the orders and the directions of the Delhi LG, a decision was taken to demolish religious structures. She has given examples in that letter as well. However, all of that has been refuted and dismissed by the office of the Delhi LG.
Well, you see, absolutely. Now it is letter versus letter in the national capital on the first day of the 2025. And not just that, but Atishi, in fact, wrote to the Delhi LG VK Saxena mentioning about the meeting, the religious committee meeting that was held in the month of November 2024. And in that particular meeting, decision was taken to either demolish some of the religious structure or to relocate some of the religious structures situated at several places in the national capital. With regards to that, she wrote to the Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena, and in fact she mentioned that the demolition should not take place, and in fact it will be hurting the religious sentiments of the people. And not just that, she also further mentioned that if the demolition takes place, then also it will be hampering the peace and harmony of that particular area. So that is why such decision should not be taken by the Lieutenant Governor's office, is what she have said in the letter. However, the LG office also responded to the letter that was written by the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, and in that particular response that we have sought to got, and in fact in that particular response, the LG VK Saxena have clearly mentioned that no such instruction to demolish the religious structure or temples have been given. And in fact, he further highlights the fact that the Chief Minister should not play petty politics over this entire matter. And he further also says, in fact takes a jibe at the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, in which he says that rather than playing petty politics, the current Chief Minister should pay the attention on the work that needs to be done for the people of national capital. And of course, he also mentions about the work that's not been done by the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And also, if we talk about the meeting, so let me tell you that the meeting was held in the month of November. It was a religious committee meeting in which the decision was taken to demolish not only the religious structures but also to relocate them which are in the mid squares, and not just the temples but also to demolish the dargah.
There, as far as when it comes to the places of worship that she says are revered by the communities, many temples and Buddhist places of worship, she has given examples of the locations as well, where according to the Delhi Chief Minister, they have been demolished on the orders and the directions of the Delhi LG. That letter there on your screens that has now been given to the Delhi LG, saying that it has been brought to my attention that religious committee has ordered demolition of numerous religious structures all across Delhi in a meeting dated 22 November 2024, where minutes are enclosed. And when it comes to as elected representatives who are constantly in touch with the people of Delhi, who would ensure that no religious sentiments are hurt. However, in an order issued last year, your office stated that demolition of religious structures is a matter related to public order and does not fall under the purview of the elected government and will be directly under the purview of the Honorable LG. Since then, your work of the religious committee has been directly monitored by you, and all of the files are routed from the Home Department to the Honorable LG. completely bypassing the chief minister and the state home minister. It has also been decided by the religious committee on your directions with your approval to demolish